Good morning, and welcome back to Grandma's Corner. You know it, where inexpensive videos are made just for you. Today, we are going to be making something good to eat called peanut butter balls. I'm going to show you all of the ingredients that is needed, and then I'm going to put it together lickety-split so it doesn't take too long to show you this wonderful recipe. But before we start, a couple of things need to happen. When you start to make anything, you always want to make sure you wash your hands. Remember, sing that happy birthday song twice, or remember that video I taught you about, what was it? Singing numbers 1 to 10 twice? Anyway, I already did that, so my hands are very clean. The other thing you want to do is, if you have long hair, make sure you tie it back. That's the last thing you want to be doing, is eating a piece of hair in your food. All right, I'm going to show you the recipe. It is called no-bake peanut butter balls. Now, these ingredients are a generalization, and you can modify them any way your family likes. For example, if you don't like peanut butter, change it up. Put sesame butter, almond butter, whatever you like. And as far as the 1/4 cup raisins, craisins, or nuts, I happen to do a combination of craisins and nuts today. But you can vary this in a variety of ways. Now, I'm going to show you. You see how I have all these ingredients already in the bowl? That's going to make this go really fast. And these are the items that I had. You also are going to need a tablespoon, and that's what this is. It's the largest of the measuring spoons that we use in cooking and baking. And you're also going to need a set of measuring cups. And today we're going to use the 1/4 size, and we are going to use the 1/2 size. I have everything already pre-measured, so we don't have to spend a whole lot of time watching me do silly stuff. All right, here we go. We're just going to start putting all this stuff together. The one thing about the sesame seeds at the end is that's where you're going to roll your balls in. So those don't go in with the rest of the stuff. All right, here we go. Oatmeal, and that would be a 1/2 cup. Non-fat dry milk, that's 1/4 of a cup. We have mixture of craisins and nuts. I have the coconut. Yep, that's my dog. He's saying, hurry up. Let's get this stuff made. All right, Jagger. Good job joining in. Here's our peanut butter. Jagger, stop. Boy, sometimes he gets so excited. Hey, can you believe it? He's like a kid. All right, and now I'm going to add the honey. Jagger, you want to come help me? Nope, he's going to go outside. That's just fine. Okay, we're going to mix all this stuff together. Sometimes the honey gets a little tough to work with because it gets a little hard if you have a cold house like mine. So sometimes what I have to do is I have to put this into the microwave, and I have to give it a little heating up. So that's what I'm going to do. Hold on. Alrighty, I'm back. So I'm going to heat that up for about 22 seconds, and in the meantime, I'm going to remind myself, you know, when you bake or you cook, there are things that have to get cleaned up because the cleaning fairy doesn't come and do the work for you. So please keep in mind that when you cook or bake, and especially if you need some help from a parent, that you need to also wash your dishes. Hey, listen to that. Like magic. Oh, there we go, nice and soft. So now, here's our mixture, and I'm gonna mix all this up, and when it's all mixed together, then you can take a little spoonful of this and you're going to make it into a ball, just like you play with Play-Doh and who knows, pizza dough, flour and water, and you're just gonna roll it up into 1-inch size balls. I would say that's probably about the size of a golf ball, maybe a little smaller. Oh, now you're back and gonna join us, huh? Yeah, you smell food, that's the deal. All right, we got it all mixed up now. Now I'm gonna use my spoon and I'm gonna grab a little bit. Okay, that seems to be like enough. And I'm going to roll it, roll it. Look at that, you go round and round and round, and voila, you got yourself a ball. You're going to now plop that right into those sesame seeds. Give it a good swirl. I think you're gonna have to flip it over, swirl it again, and you now have a sesame-coated peanut butter ball. Go ahead and finish making the rest of these. Stick them in the refrigerator for, I don't know, maybe a half an hour, and then surprise your family with the most delicious peanut butter ball recipe ever. You're gonna love it because I do. All right, you have a good day and enjoy. Bye.